Hi, year one. All right, so now we're going to look at a different sound. U, U, U. Excellent. Can you also try U, U, U? There's two different sounds there. We've got the U and we've got the U. And it's strange, but this is the way you would spell it. We've got the split digraph, U and E, U and E. And this sounds like either U or U. It depends on the word. So when we're looking at the words, I want you to listen very carefully and see if the sound is U or U. Okay? And on this side of the card, we've got this funny monster with his red nose and his horns, and he's all fluffy. Can you see he's all fluffy? He's a brute. 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 And the brute is somebody who's really clumsy and really big, and he's a bit of a monster. So it is a huge brute. Can you hear the difference? Huge brute. And they're both with this digraph, U-E. Okay? So we've got a huge brute. All right? And so when you see this, you say huge brute. Huge brute. Make the funniest voice you can. Huge brute. Now make the loudest voice you can. Huge brute. And maybe now like a robot. Huge brute. Excellent work. All right, so when you see this, you say huge brute. And when you see this, you say, what are we going to say? We say, ooh, ooh, you. Ooh, ooh, you. Okay? So here we go. Ooh, ooh, you. Ooh, ooh, you. Excellent. Huge brute. Excellent. So we said, ooh, ooh, you. Ooh, ooh, you. Excellent work. All right, so now I want you to do secret fingers. So let's put our hands behind our backs, and I'm going to say rude. Rude. That child is being very rude and interrupting his parents. Rude. Fingers. Fantastic. So, d, rude. Did you see that? D, rude. Which sound was it? U or U? Well done. All right, next word. Here you go. Brute. Brute. Fingers. Excellent. Let's see. B, r, u, t, brute. Did you hear? B, r, u, t, brute. Excellent work. So let's do secret fingers again. Here we go. Accuse. Accuse. Do not accuse if you do not know. Accuse. That means don't blame somebody if you don't know. Fingers. 4 sounds. Excellent. A, k, u, s. Huh. Did you hear? A, k, u, s. Accuse. Ah, different sound, my friends. All right. Secret fingers. Let's do it. Mule. A mule is a mix between a horse and a donkey. So, mule. Fingers. Well done. U, oo. Did you hear? U, oo. Mule. Excellent work. Now I'm going to mix that sound with others that we know. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. And let's see how quickly we can do this. And when you spot our special friends for today, you're going to say, ooh, ooh, you. There you are. Ooh, ooh, you. There you are. Okay? I want to hear you. So here we go. Excellent. Excellent work. All right, so that was amazing. But I want to tell you another little secret. This one sounds like a sound that we already know. Can you remember? Let's see. We've done so many sounds now, but I will give you a little tip. There is a man that goes to a place full of animals and he picks up all the dirty things on the floor. What could it be? Who at the zoo? Ooh. Did you hear? Ooh. Ooh. But then we've got some other special friends, which I want you to pay attention to, which are you. So we've got ooh, and we've got you. Ooh, you. Ooh, you. Ooh, you. Ooh, you. Okay, and on this side of the card, we can see that there's a man trying to chew something, which doesn't look very nice because he looks like he's upset. He's not enjoying that at all. So he is chewing the stew. So you would say, chew the stew. Chew the stew. Did you see? Chew the stew. Excellent. So that's you. So whenever you see this sound, you say ew. Whenever you say this, you see this one, you say ooh. And whenever you see this one, you say ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you. Okay, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Ooh, excellent. You. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you. Excellent. Let's see, I'm going to mix them up again. And here we go. Ooh. Excellent. You. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you. You. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you. Excellent work. All right. Well done, everybody.